Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Hey Google on your Android phone the easy way. This feature lets you use Google Assistant hands-free for things like checking the weather, setting reminders, or sending messages. To get started, unlock your phone and open the Google app. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, then go to Settings. From there, select Google Assistant and under Popular Settings, tap on Voice Match. Now turn on the Hey Google toggle. If it's your first time setting it up, Google will ask you to train your voice by saying Hey Google a few times so it can recognize you. Once that's done, just say Hey Google or OK Google anytime, and the assistant will pop up, ready to help. Take note that on some devices, the Hey Google AI assistant is being replaced by the new Gemini. And that's how you use Hey Google on Android the easy way. Thanks for watching.